What? I'm a vlogger. Miss Kennedy, I'm gonna stay in there with them. I'm gonna stay in there with them for now.
That's all that matters.
See, it's working.
What? What is that?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Record this shit.
Up and it died.
Don't worry, I recorded it. I'm gonna sit down. What the fuck? I'm recording?
The NES might be a bit broken. A little bit.
Why did you not just leave it like that?
Because
It's working.
it's functional. I mean, isn't that all that matters? No.
There's no signal.
Functional. Don't you want it to work?
It was working fine.
Yeah, it was fine.
Nice.
It was working perfect.
He's an old man.
Did you think that was working perfect, Patrick?
He's
Sure.
an old man, Patrick.
You're gonna record it right now.
He's an old man, Patrick. I think he's dead. Come back to us. Come on, come back to us.
Rise.
Don't go towards the light.
Hey, that was fine. That was fine. That was fine. That was better. That was better.
Come back from the dead.
That's better. That's better.
It's not
Wait, go back
better.
to Mario Bros. 1. Go back to Mario Bros. 1.
Dude.
What the fuck? This is Duck Hunt. There's a dog. Oh, the dog's fine. The dog's fine.
Dog's fucking dead.
They all died.
That was not a dog.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Yeah, post on YouTube. It's gonna be funny.
I'm gonna. Messing around with the at school. Messing around at school. Look at Aiden. What the?
Press this 100 times.
Just press it one. Just like stop now. I want to see if it works.
It's not gonna work.
The light's on.
He's dead.
I think you just killed it. Oh wait. Let's hop into Mario Bros.
Do you want to play this?
I want to play. Here, you record. Okay. Alright, guys. This is Mario Bros. 1.
Get your phone.
No.
Quentin, we got it working worse.
Quentin, it's working. Oh, it's going bad. It's going better. It's going. What the fuck?
Quentin, it's worse. It got worse again.
You can see like the block there.
Yeah.
Let's see what the multicolor Mario looks like.
Aneurysm.
Aiden, you just missed it. It just had a seizure.
I have it on video.
What the fuck? I'm gonna just try to beat World 1. Today, can we beat World 1 with this? What the fuck? Today, can we beat this World 1 with the fucked up graphics? Is that Luigi?
It is.
I think I see Mario in the top right. Oh, it's him.
There's no castle.
Demon.
Now it's numbers.
Easy, yo, bro.
I got this.
You walked in.
I'm walking.
What are you doing? That made a sound that isn't even in the game.
Numbers.
What?
Okay. I thought it was done.
Oh, what the hell?
Let him
Oh, the
die.
blocks are back. The blocks are back.
Oh, he died.
What was that? That was
Okay.
not Mario.
Just want to try
Should
some.
we try Mario Bros. 3?
Let's just try pushing this in a little bit more.
Is that Mario? Aiden! Aiden!
Oh god.
What did you do? Aiden?
What the fuck? It got
The
worse.
mushroom was Mario.
It got
Oh, the
worse.
turtles are back. The turtles are back. Oh,
No, they're not. They're dead.
Oh no.
You're gonna get hit by the shell.
You gotta upload it to YouTube, dude.
I don't know
Okay,
what the hell's
let's hope
happening.
that death was sacrificed.
Let's see if I can make something weird happen again.
It's just like couch tilting.
Oh, wait, let's see how this plays out. Alright, click reset. Okay. Mario looks fine in this one.
Mario looks fine, yeah. He looks fine. He looks great. He looks better than ever.
You got a new haircut.
Mario, you look like you got 4 heads today. Oh god, Mario.
Go down to the bonus. Go down to the bonus.
This is what happens when you take LSD.
This is what Okay, the walk animations cycling through Mario jumping.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Looking at it like shit.
I don't know. Is this what drugs are like?
What you why
Evil.
why-
Don't do the in the corner.
where?
Look in the right corner. Sukiyaki.
Oh, it is not that easy. It's like a Mario head. Can you see it? It's like right there. Oh, it's a Goomba. It's a Goomba.
That's not a Goomba.
World 1-1.
What's
Mario.
that?
Oh, okay. Let's try Mario Bros. 3.
It's even worse.
Oh, is what?
Okay, it's at least a little bit better. Wait, it might. Okay, I thought it spawned right off the bat near the thing.
It's getting worse
Oh, it's green.
again.
Let's head down into like. Oh, yeah, Aiden, you can see you can see like.
Aiden, you film.
Want me to film?
Is that a Luigi head?
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Okay, you try getting Mario Bros. 3 up running. We gotta see if Mario Bros. 3 is all fucked up.
It's gonna be all fucked up.
It's delicate. Oh! We just seen something.
I'm going to try to the best of my ability to get this to work first.
So, foreshadowing.
I just stuck in
anything.
Just stick in another cartridge. Just to balance it off and see if it's playable.
Here you record. I'll cook.
Okay, you cook this time then.
I'll cook. Something will happen.
Or wait, we could just like.
Is it working?
Oh, it's working.
What the hell?
What was that?
It was Mario.
That was not Mario.
That's not Mario.
It's Mario Bros. 3.
No, it's Soup C ma.
Soup C.
Super Mom.
Alright, which one?
Mario looks fine. Is that Mario? Okay, there's Mario. Pull out the mushroom. See what the mushroom looks
These
like.
edibles ain't shit.
What the fuck is that?
Man, these edibles ain't shit.
Get the tanuki. Get the tanuki.
can't see anything. I'm cooking, trust. Don't cook, don't cook, don't cook.
Is this actually? This can't be fun.
Fuck.
Here, let me try.
I'll cook.
You cook.
Mario Bros.
Pull yourself away from the game to go cook something.
Wait, Miss, look at this. Oh, it's better. It's better.
It's fixing itself.
You wanna go cook?
Why are we cooking?
I don't know, we're gonna see what we have for ingredients. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Hold on, wait, Miss. Look at this. This is like.
I know where we are.
One of us has to upload this.
I'll give you guys one of you guys the SD card just to upload this.
It's the SD card, isn't it yours?
Kinda no.
I know. What's that mean?
All right, guys. What if I leave the camera here with you guys? No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna go see what we're cooking first. Oh, I just seen something.
Put it right there on the.
Yeah, it's recording.
Good.
All right, it's recording.
Let it cook. Let it cook.
Referring to my baby in the oven. Take my baby out of the oven, you madman.
Let it cook.
No.
Let it cook.
No.
Let it cook.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook. Just like a fucking dead baby.
Dinner is served. That's not Mario.
Wait, this could actually work.
It says Sasa Mario. What is it?
I did it.
Holy shit. No, you didn't. Mario said, holy shit.
Holy shit, I actually did it.
Dude, Jesus.
Now the hardest part, plugging into the controller.
Alright, you're gonna fuck it up again?
I did it.
It's no longer funny. Oh, I'm sad. Well, we can stop recording now.
Yep. Do you want me to make it look funny?
Hi, John.
Do you want me to make it look funny?
Nah, let's keep it like this for now.
You're player one.
I'm player one. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Am I?
Press start. You can press one player games.
How do I go down?
You don't.
Oh, it's working. Oh.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's recording right now. Because like everything was all messed up.
Oh, mister, it was so weird.
You gotta show it to Mister.
You have the old Nintendo.
Here, I'll show you right
What are
now.
talking about?